Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to partition a pen drive into 2 or more separate drives. First thing what you need to do is to go open the link which I'm giving in the description below, and that should take you to the mega drive. So just open that, and then you should see a file named as partition wizard. So it should be nearly like 30 MB. Just download that. As you can see, I have downloaded the file. And then now just install that application. So I'm going to go to downloads folder and then just install it. Now as you can see on my desktop there is a file named as minitool partition. Okay, now insert any pen drive. Insert a pen drive which you want to create a partition for. So I'm going to insert a single pen drive of 32 GB. As you can see, currently there is only one drive for it, and that is USB drive D. So now I'm going to partition this pen drive. Now open the minitool partition wizard from your desktop. Over here below you should see the D drive. So as you can see, it's a D drive. So now just click on that, then right click on that, and then click on split. Now over here choose how much GB you want to allocate for each drives. So I'm just gonna keep it like same 14 GB, or if you want you can move here like through 5 GB for one, and then like you can just move wherever you want. So I'm just gonna keep it at like nearly 10 GB now. So it's like 10.96, 11 GB. Just click on OK and then click on apply. Now just click on yes. So while doing this process you will lose all the files in that pen drive. Sure it's empty. And then now as you can see, when you create a program, I'll have two drives for a single pen drive. One is 11 GB and one is 17.6 GB. As you can see, both the drives are empty. Now these two drives are a single pen drive. So I'm just going to paste a file and show that it works. Now to remove this drive, just open the Windows Explorer again, and then on this PC right click and go to manage. Over here click on disk management, and then choose any one of those drive D or E, and then just click on delete. Then click on the other one as well and click on delete. Over here just create a new simple volume and then just follow the instructions, and then you're good to go. So you might get some error, so just again format it. So click on OK, and then your drive should be ready. As you can see, I have my single 32 GB pen drive back. So that's how you do it. Thank you guys.